how to share any Instagram post on your story. While browsing through your feed on the Instagram, if you find a good picture, you want to share that picture or post on your story. So how would you do that? Select the post which you want to uh, share on your story. If this was the post I wanted to share on my Instagram stories, you need to press the share button, which is a small aeroplane on the bottom, and here you would see a icon add post to your story. So you need to click that, and now here you can add the text. So after you are done with the editing, and once you are done, you need to press the send to, and then click the your story share button, and then you need to press the done. Now this post has been shared on our story. Let's see that. So that's how you can share any post on your Instagram stories. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.